Objectives of OB, then nature and characteristics of OB, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So nature and characteristics of organizational behavior is done. Next, objectives of OB is done, right? So today we'll see with importance of OB. Why we have to study the concept called OB? Why is it important in organization? Okay, your friends are still joining. Okay. Okay. Now see, we know that what is OB. So can anybody tell me what is the meaning of OB? Organizational behavior. What is the meaning of organizational behavior, students? It is a field of study, right? It is a field of study where we will be analyzing the behavior and also the behavior of each and every individual in the organization, and also we will be analyzing what kind of impact and what kind of effect it will have on organization. The behavior that has been projected, that has been executed by the employees in the organization, how it will impact an organization, how it will affect an organization on the whole, is what we call as organizational behavior, right? So in that we now will study the importance of OB. So the first importance is it provides a roadmap to our lives in the organization. Okay, so here we know organizational behavior, it is a field of study where you will be studying each and every individual's behavior, each and every individual's attitude, perception, dedication towards the work. So we will understand whether that particular employee is working for the organization or if he is working against the organization, or whether he is having a positive approach towards the work or the negative approach towards the work. So when we analyze this and when we get to know this concept from each and every individual in the organization, then it becomes a roadmap, it becomes a blueprint for the manager to come up with the solution for those employees or those people who are working in the organization, who are negatively working in the organization or has a very wrong attitude and perception and dedication towards the organization. So meanwhile it becomes very important for a manager to solve that problem then and there itself, so that that particular person will work positively towards the organization. So it creates a blueprint, or it provides a roadmap to how an individual will be in an organization, how an individual will react on certain situation. Okay, so that is why the concept of organizational behavior plays such important role in organization, because it will help us to understand the mentality, it help us to understand the you know, how they are thinking towards the organization, how dedication they are showing towards the organization. Okay, next comes the field of OB uses scientific research to help us understand and predict organizational science. So you might have remember in nature and characteristics we had studied that organizational behavior is a science as well as art. So why we call it a science as well as art? Does anybody remember what I had explained? Why we call organizational behavior as a science as well as art? Why we call it as science? Because it is a systematic knowledge about human, okay, which is termed as science. We will be systematically analyzing. It is a field of study, so that is why we call it as a science, right? Because here systematically we will be studying and acquiring knowledge about each and every human being in the organization. So when we do that analysis, we will get to know what kind of attitude, what kind of behavior they are projecting in the organization. So that is why OB uses scientific research to help us understand and predict organizational life. That is where we are going ahead in terms of employees. Okay, next comes OB help us influence organizational events. Okay, so here predicting about the employee becomes very easy when we do OB, when we do a organizational behavior study in the organization. So this will help us to finalize and determine what kind of event is needed in the organization. So here most of us want to influence the environment, in organization, especially manager. Most of the manager would want to influence the organization to go ahead towards the positive end. So to go to that positive end, to go have a good business, to have a good expansion of business, to have good growth in the business, to have good development in the business. So a manager will get a blueprint, or he will get a set of procedure of how the organization is now and where it has to reach. By knowing that gap, the manager will be able to influence the organizational event. He will be able to come up with the events. So now throughout the semester, if we only do teaching, you people will get disoriented from the class. So that is why we come up with management fest, business fest, orientation programs, and then we did freshers day, so that you'll have a fresh mind, you'll have something new to come to college. In the same way, here when we do an organizational behavior analysis, the manager will get to know what are the events that has to be done in the future, so that it influences and it motivates the employee towards the positive end. Okay, next comes organizational behavior helps an individual understand himself and herself and others better. So here organizational behavior means what? We are doing an investigation, right? So it is a field of study where we will be investigating about the impact that an individual, a group and a structure will have or will behave on a certain pattern within the organization, and how it is impacting on the organization. So when we are doing an individual analysis, when we are doing a what I can say, when we are trying to get know the individual's behavior towards the organization, the individual themselves also can understand where they are standing in the organization. What are the improvement that has to be done? What are the benefit that an employee is missing because of his behavior in the organization? So here OB helps an individual to evaluate himself or herself or the group of where they are standing in the organization. What are the things that is lacking? What are the scope of improvement that they have in the organization? Next comes a manager in a business and establishment is concerned with getting the things done through delegation. So we know what is management. Management is an art of getting things done by others. So here manager obviously will have a standard set of goal and objectives, and whatever set of goal and objective that is there in that organization, manager will delegate that objectives or goals, responsibility, work to the subordinates. So again here manager, in order to establish his business, he will get things done through others by doing what? By delegating the work to his subordinates. Now that work to be completed in the organization, employee should have a positive attitude, should have a positive behavior towards the work. So if he is having that positive attitude and if he is having that positive behavior towards the work, it's only then that delegation will have some meaning, will have some worth, will have some value, and the organizational objectives and goals can be easily attained. So that is where the concept of OB comes into picture, where a manager will know what kind of work has to be delegated to whom, who is more dedicated towards the work, whom we can rely more, so that trust factor will build, that alliance will build with the employees. Next is the field of OB is useful by maintaining cordial industrial relationship. So when we say OB is concerned with only individual behavior or group behavior or organizational structure, it also helps in maintaining industrial relation. Why? Because each and every individual's behavior in the organization is evaluated, it has been analyzed, it has been taken into consideration. For example, if any of the employee is not very much dedicated towards the work, or if he or she is finding very difficult, or if he or she is finding very stressful to work in that particular organization, then the manager can take certain kind of steps in order to motivate that employee to work better for the organization. It might be by more doing a motivational session or counseling, or giving some kind of recognition for that particular employee, giving that particular employee some kind of responsibility, making that employee feel that he is worth in that organization. So when this kind of activities happen in the organization, obviously when this kind of activities happen in the organization, obviously it will help the manager to build that cordial relationship. So the relationship will be strong between employer and employee, as well as employers and employees, and between employees and employees. So that will be a win-win situation for both the management as well as for the employees. So here OB will help the manager to maintain a good, healthy, cordial relationship with the employees. Okay. Next comes the subject of OB is also useful in field of marketing. So we know the way that employees are a dynamic process in the organization. At the same time, the product that we produce, the service that we produce to the market is also a dynamic process. Okay, so the flow of goods, the flow of services from the producers to the consumers is a dynamic mechanism. So awareness of the nature of the individual and also social processes to maintain a long-term relationship to maintain a long range contribution. So this will decide the factor of success and failure. So because of the study of a concept called OB, we will be able to analyze the consumer's choice behavior, the nature or the characteristics which influence a consumer. So all this concept will be easily analyzed in organizational behavior. So here doing an organizational behavior not just limits to employees alone, but it also extends to consumers as well, because the way the consumer employees are a dynamic it is a dynamic mechanism. At the same time, consumer are also a dynamic process. So analyzing both the factors and bridging the gap between them is what is done by the organizational behavior. So it is also helpful in field of marketing. Why? Because we will get to know what are the taste and preferences that the consumer is having, how they are influenced, what are the channels that is involved for them for their influence, and also what kind of behavioral research that has to be implemented in order to know the taste and preferences of the consumers. Okay, next comes interest in purchasing a career in management. So nowadays, before this we only had the concept called management. Now organizational behavior has become a whole part of management concept. It has evolved as an important concept of and a popular field of study for the readers. So in the video you might have observed, last time I had showed you in a video why we have to study organizational behavior. So everything depends upon each and every individual in the organization. The success, the failure of the organization will depend on how an employee will react, how they behave in the organization, how will they take up the task. So the field that is why the concept of OB is emerging from day to day. New concepts are coming, new research are coming. There are many foundations given by the economist to analyze what kind of behavior will be projected by an individual or an employee in the organization on what scenario. So next you will be studying that concepts only. So this helps is very important for the development of the organization, development of the individual, and also to create a career in terms of management. So the management career that we have in terms of why when we study OB as a subject and giving it more importance is that a person can become a HR manager, he can become an HR analytics, so he can become a consultant. For all this kind of job designation, analyzing and knowing the behavior of the management plays a very important role. Okay, so the successful manager should have a people skill here. So OB helps in creating that people skill, to understand them, to analyze them, to know what are their taste and preferences, to understand one's employees and what are the expectation that one employee will be having, what are the knowledge efficiency that one employee is having. So it is a people's skill, it is a people's task. So that is why the concept of OB is becoming important from day to day, and the career or different kind of career streams are also getting evolved. So next we'll see with effective management of all sectors. So when we say sectors, we have different departments in the organization. We have supply chain department, logistic, HR, finance, marketing, production, waste management. So all this management has to work in one accord so that they achieve one common goal of the objectives. Now whatever preferences, whatever dedication that one department is having will not be the same with other department. That is why OB is a field of study of individual, group and also structure, where it will give a clear picture of all these three aspects. Okay, so that is why from time to time, from range to range, to have a good long term success in the organization, the concept of OB, that is organizational behavior, is gaining importance day by day. Okay, so these are some of the importance. Any doubts, students? Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we'll end it here because the people joined late for the class. Students, I wanted to ask, did I give you questions? Assignment question and skill development question?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, answer your attendance.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you note down my attendance because I have to go to mosque, ma'am?
Okay, fine. Nihal,
Ma'am,
right?
Nihal present, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, no problem. Okay, answer your attendance. Manoj? Azmat Alam?
Present, ma'am.
Bharat?
Present, ma'am.
Meghna? Meher Sagar? Adnan?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Sultan? Mohammed Sultan? Mohammed Safan? Mohammed Shamir? Mohammed Kamran? Bhavyashri?
Present, ma'am.
Mohammed Shamal? Mohammed?
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Nandini?
Present, ma'am.
Next, Navneet? Nidin?
Present, ma'am.
Neha Jain?
Present.
Okay, Nihal?
Nihal is present, ma'am.
Oh yeah, Nihal is present. Okay. Nikhil?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil Saraf?
Present, ma'am.
Nitish Kumar?
Present, ma'am.
Omar? Maurya?
Present, ma'am.
Sai Kumar?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Parichay?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Prath? Pooja?
Present, ma'am.
Udbhav?
Present, ma'am.
Prithvi? Prithviraj Herur?
Present, ma'am.
Preeti? Punit? Kirtana?
Present, ma'am.
Ratan?
Present, ma'am.
Rishi? Rishika Rani? Ritesh? Rohan?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rohan Ramesh?
Present, ma'am.
Rohit? Roshan? Dheeraj?
Present, ma'am.
Sanchana,
Present, ma'am.
Sandeep,
Present, ma'am.
Saurav, Sharanya, Shashank,
Present, ma'am.
yes, Shashank Raj, Shafina,
Present, ma'am.
yes, Shika.
Present, ma'am.
Shika, is this your first class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you have attended all the classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, not marked your attendance. Okay. Shivam,
Present, ma'am.
Shravika,
Present, ma'am.
yes. Shreya Datta,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Shubha, Suchay, Siddharth Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Siddharth,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha,
Present, ma'am.
yes. Srinivas,
Present, ma'am.
Srinivas Reddy, Shubham Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Shubhi Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Subiksha. Subiksha is not there. Suhas.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Suhas Babu. Sukirti.
Present, ma'am.
Surbhi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Syed. Tanmaya.
Present, ma'am.
Tejas. Tejas Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Teja. Tushar Bhatt.
Present, ma'am.
Goel. Vaibhav Girish.
Present, ma'am.
Vaibhav Shine. Barkala Tarun.
Ma'am, Vaibhav Shine. Present, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Varkala Tarun, Varun Kumar, Varun Onkar, Vasudha, Vedashri,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Vishal,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal Pratap,
Present, ma'am.
Vishwajit Singh, Vishwas A, Vishwas R,
Present, ma'am.
yes, Yashashvi R, Yashwant,
Present, ma'am.
Bhargav,
Present, ma'am.
Zaiba, Zuvina, Vishnuvardhan, Tanush. Okay. Okay, students, you can.
Ma'am, Rohit. Present.
Rohit is present. Rohit R, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I marked your attendance.
Ma'am, Vishal Pratap.
Vishal Pratap. Yes, I have marked. Okay, students, you can exit the class. We'll meet in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.